Hello, welcome back to my channel. Zari Chanel here. Zari Chanel, the Big Z, big fitness trainer, all here. Ugh, I'm sorry, y'all. Cut.
From scratch.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. Zari Chanel here, Big Z. I'm here to bring you guys another great video. All right, now what we're going to do today, we're going to focus on creating our own milk from scratch. All right, in case you don't know who I am and this is your first time on my channel, welcome queen, welcome king. Absolutely am honored to have you here today. If you don't mind, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Go ahead, share this video with a friend who would like to make milk on their own from scratch. All right, we will be creating our own almond milk. Okay, now what is featured, what is sponsored for today is a machine called Nutr. It is a plant-based milk machine that we will be using to. Now that being said, let's just go straight into the video. Today I just have my almonds and I also have my Nutr machine. It looks something like this. Okay, this right here is the machine. As you guys can see, it is not that big to handle. It is so convenient in size and I absolutely love that about it. This right here is basically a measurement spoon for you guys who need measurements, which is really cool because wow, they give you all of this. Who would have ever known? And of course, this is another one. Great sizes. I love them. And this right here is a cleaner for it, a brush that you can use to just clean it out and just give it that nice refreshing cleanse that it may need once you use it. Okay, this right here is a filter. I'm not too informed on what this is for, but we will find that out together. Okay, now this right here is literally what the box looks like when you get it. This is the side, this is the back of the box. Okay, just in case you were a little concerned on how you open the box, because that was the part that kind of got me too. It was a little, you know, little twister. But if you're, you know, just paying attention to how it is designed, all you want to do is cut the seal that is right here and it will open from this side. So what do I have right here? Oh, some scissors. Oh wow. Yeah, you guys, yeah, just give me one second. Just give me 1 second. I'm sorry. Oh wow. So there's actually no seal up here. Wow. So I actually was tripping, y'all. So when you open up the box, it's like this. All right. So if it's no seal, then why? Hold on. Time out, y'all. Time out. Hold on. This is embarrassing. This is so embarrassing. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all. So okay. Be smart. Pull the tab out first. Lord have mercy. Okay. Now be careful when you open up the box because as you can see, it does come like this. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you guys so you guys can see it. It says thank you so much for your purchase. This right here can be found directly on their website. They do include a QR code, which also it tells you get a free special gift. All right. You get a special gift if you scan refer, and don't forget you can get $10 off of a jar. All right, now I love this because it also has the instructions on how to use the machine on the back. Okay, now it's only 6 simple instructions. Okay, it's not that hard. It doesn't take a scientist to figure this out. And guess what, your girl just happens to be a scientist, a detective, everything, an attorney. You know what I'm saying? A trainer. I do it all. Okay. We also have, of course, a nice instruction manual for those who like details. Me, I just will be using that good old sheet that has them 6 steps on it because I'm like that. All right. Now this right here is for your own pleasure, your own needs, however you want to do it. Oh, actually, y'all, I lied. On the inside, you have different ingredients that you can make. It literally says that single serving nut milk maker. So what is on the inside is simple ingredients. This one says cookies and cream, and it shows you the ingredients and the instructions on how to make a cookies and cream type of drink. So if you guys are interested in just making your meals, your little snack ideas, your fluids more, you know, upscale, I definitely would recommend that. Okay, now right here it says plant-based milk is my love language. These look like little stickers. I'm so excited to try these out as well. Pretty sure I'll place these on here and give it more of a decoration. So So we have the actual Nutr right here. So it comes in a nice package for you guys. So this is the actual machine right here. As you guys can see, it is so beautiful. It's so simple. And look, it's really not that big. It's very portable. You can take it out of town, take it, you know, if you're going on a trip. On the inside, we do have our cable, which gives us our connection to the actual electrical circuit. Basically just to power it on. I'm not trying to make this more difficult than what it is. Underneath they have something to protect the blade. There is a blade on the inside, which is where you'll be placing your nuts at, also with your water. Okay, now this get started, y'all know I'm gonna wash my stuff out because I'm like that. Okay, so please give it a rinse, give it a good wash, and then we'll come back to it. All right. Alright guys, so we have everything set up for today's video. What I have right here is my 6 simple instructions that I will be using to figure out how to do everything. I already kind of took a look. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So it comes with 2 spoons, okay? The spoon that I have right now is 2T. Okay, now if you look at the bottom of the spoon, you'll see it is engraved for you guys. Okay, I'm trying to get that detail up there so you guys can see that. You see that 2T. All right, please excuse my nails, but we got our 2T spoon right here. This is the spoon that you use to scoop whatever it is that you're trying to use and create into a milk. Today we will be using our almond nuts, as you guys, our almonds, as you guys may see. I also have my vanilla extract right here, and I have my water, and of course, last but not least, our actual Nutr machine. Okay, now I will not be plugging this up until after I have all of the ingredients in. Okay, so for the first step, it says twist and pull to open the cap. We're going to use the scoop that is provided, and we're going to insert the ingredients. So you're going to move on to step 2. It says fill with water between minimum and maximum lines. Minimum makes about 8 ounces of drink. Maximum makes about 13 ounces. Okay, now just share it with the kids or however you want to go on about it. I would recommend, of course, doing the 13 ounce and storing it in a safe glass container or a glass jar. Or you guys can even just place it inside of a bowl, or you know, anything that's round. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. It does say fill with the water, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Is the eternal water. I'm also not sponsored for this, but I love this water from the bottom of my heart. This is the only water I drink. If you know me, you know that. All right. Your girl do not see a minimum line in here. I don't know if I'm just tripping or what. Okay, so I guess I'll just fill it up halfway. Okay, now when you guys actually get it, you guys will see what I mean by actually discovering what's on the inside. So as you guys may be able to see that, you see a max line in here, but I don't see a minimum line. But I'm assuming the minimum line, of course, would be at the bottom. So I'm just gonna fill it up halfway through the max line. Okay, that's the bottom. Okay, y'all, so I'm not gonna lie, I did fill it up to the max. I did, it was me, okay? Please read, reading is fundamental. It really is, okay? I was been supposed to place my almonds, so I'm just gonna place them in there, just like that. Okay, if you haven't already done that, start with that. I think that's like the first step. I think when they said fill it up, that's what they meant. They don't specifically say anything, but it literally says use the provided scoops to place the ingredients. So literally that was step number 1, but your girl missed step number 1. I guess we're gonna lock the cap on. Okay, so it says, oh Lord, okay. It says place the cap on, then you're gonna click it to where it's locked, okay? So, yeah, I don't think I placed that on right. Yeah, see, no. See, oh gosh, oh my goodness, why am I making this so complicated? What? Did y'all, it's literally a little boom. Look at that, boom, boom. Quick little whoop de whoop, okay? Don't be like me. Don't be like me, okay? I did say I was gonna add a little vanilla extract in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this and put that in there. I don't know if I'm really supposed to do that, but I'm gonna do it anyway. We just gonna put a little dash, boom. Y'all seen that? Hope y'all did. Literally, just put a little dash in there. Okay, next step that you want to do is go ahead and press the round button on here to set your room temperature. You want to make sure that it's hot, or well, specifically you want hot for soy and rice milk specifically, it says, so don't worry about that. But of course you want to set your room temperature to warm, unless of course you do want it hotter. That's up to you. You like hot milk, that's your thing, that's your business. All right, me being me, I'm just gonna do what the instructions say. So it says press the round button. So this is the round button right here. Start. So what I'm gonna do is okay. So it pretty much does it for you. It does it for you. Yeah. Yeah, it does. So this is what it sounds like. I have a 5-minute timer on here. So I'm actually gonna turn this off, and I'll come back to you guys once this is done, okay? All right, y'all, I wanted y'all to see this. So this is what it's doing. Let me show y'all the settings. Come on, camera, focus for me. All right, so you see my room temperature setting was already there. So room temperature is already a setting that will start on its own. Right here, we got about 4 minutes, 3 minutes left. Start, cancel, delay, self-clean, water boil, keep warm. Okay, so once this is done, I'll show you guys the top so y'all can see that. So it's getting it in. It's definitely getting it in. It's doing what it needs to do. Absolutely just did like 3 about blinks. Deep, 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 just to let you know, and then it stopped and it goes back to like this little blinking setting that it started at. In the meantime, I just thought I'd share 2 interesting recipes that they do provide in the manual that I was talking about earlier, guys. They have plant-based hot chocolate from scratch. They literally show you all the ingredients, and they give you the instructions on how to make your own plant-based hot chocolate, which is really cool because I love hot chocolate. Also, they show you how to make peanut butter chocolate almond milk. This looks amazing, and both pictures are provided. Like, I can't make this up. Y'all, this stuff looks amazing. Like, wow. So yeah, definitely check out these recipes, guys. They sound pretty good. Guys, so we do have our Nutr already finished. So the first thing that I'm personally gonna do is just go ahead and unplug it just to be safe. I am very much like that. We're actually ready to go. The timer just went off. It gave me a quick little ding, 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 just to let me know that it was done. I do have a mason jar for me to store my milk in today. Let me smell it because I'm real big on my smells. First, I'm just gonna go ahead and completely disconnect this cable because, yeah, I'm really like that, y'all. Oh, wow. Lord have mercy. So, yeah, that looks pretty good, y'all. Just gonna pour it up for you guys. What I did peep was there was a strainer. The little strainer that it comes in. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna sit this strainer inside of this cup. And now I'm just gonna pour it in there. And just watch it strain it. Wow. From scratch. So this is my strainer sitting on top of my mason jar. As you guys can see, it is holding that milk. It's kind of coming out, but it's also taking a little time. I want you guys to really see this. So this is so cool. Like, this little strainer is so convenient. And boom, we have our almond milk right there. And I did still have little pieces at the bottom from the almonds, but to me that's no big deal. It's just a little bit. So here you go, guys. I really enjoyed making milk from scratch for the first time ever in my life. I'm gonna try it while we're on. So wow, it really does taste like almonds. Wow, it tastes like almond milk, and it tastes pure. Like, just pure. What I will suggest is, if you do have some type of like coconut sugar, dates, or vanilla extract, please add that to give it more of that flavor. But if you're like me and you don't mind it being more on the bland side, then go ahead and just keep it as is, okay? Now, I really do appreciate Nutr for sending me this wonderful, simple, plant-based milker, okay? Plant-based milker. Plant-based milker. It was so great. It was such a phenomenal time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead, thumbs it up, like, subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment. Please don't forget, subscribe to your girl's channel, okay? We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I know we'll be there very, very, very soon. All right, in the meantime, go ahead, store your milk. All right, guys, love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Thank you.